Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of a perfume subscription service called Luxury ScentBox or LUXSB. But before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. And yeah, if you want to see and learn more about this luxury scent box, then just keep on watching. So before I begin, I just want to thank LUXSB for sponsoring this video. I am getting paid to advertise this perfume subscription service, but I would only give you my 100% authentic and honest thoughts on these products. So what is a luxury scent box or LUXSB? It is a $15 monthly designer and niche fragrance subscription service for men and women. So basically you choose out the fragrance that you want and you get that in a little bottle per month, and it's a month supply for $15, which I find to be really affordable. This is a great way to be able to test out a bunch of different scents without paying the full price. Some scents are rare to find. Perfume is really expensive, and luxury scents can go for $50, $60, like even $100, $150 for full sizes. This is a great chance for you to sample a bunch of different scents before deciding which one you want to buy a full size of, or just changing your scent every single month. Just so you guys know a little bit more about LUXSB as a company, the founders are fragrance specialists studying fragrances and having over 17 years of expertise in the world of fragrances, which is really awesome. LUXSB was created to explore your senses and discover fragrance you have been searching for your entire life, offering the best worldwide brands. LUXSB offers over 500 brands to choose from on their website, and basically you go in and choose which one you want every single month. Or if you don't know what you want, you kind of tell them what kind of scents you liked in the past or what kind of scents you're into, whether you're into sweet or more fruity scents or fresh scents, and they have a fragrance specialist choose something out for you. Basically you take a short survey to be able to narrow down your choices if you don't know exactly what you want. You can choose your fragrance from the recommendations on their website, or you can choose your own monthly, and basically you build up your calendar month after month and you kind of figure out which fragrance you want which month, and you request them and you receive them all for $15 a month, which is a pretty good deal. This is a month-to-month service, so there is no contract. There is nothing to stop you from canceling after 1 month if you decide it's not for you. And it is free shipping, so all you do is pay $15 and you get your fragrance for the month. You can use my discount code Cristina to get 35% off your first month of LUXSB, and basically you would only pay $9.75 plus free shipping, no shipping charge, so you can try out LUXSB for that amount and see if you like it, so that you can continue paying the $15. LUXSB was kind enough to send over a sample for me so I can show you guys exactly what will be coming in your subscription when you decide to do this. Basically, it comes in this holographic packaging, which is super cute, and you get a card that tells you all about their company, which I'm going to read to you, and it says, "Welcome to LUXSB and thank you for becoming a member, matching you with the perfect scent one fragrance at a time, sending and sharing our passion for scents from California. Your LUXSB fragrance specialist." And then on the other side it says, "Love life with perfume, how to use your LUXSB," and it teaches you how to use the little bottle that they give you. It comes with a cute little travel case. They only gave me one, but they were kind enough to send me 3 different scents so that I can test them out for you guys and let you know which one's my favorite. And they only sent me one of these, but you will get one of these your first month. So you'll be getting a perfume in a bottle like this. It has their logo on it, so it doesn't have the logo of the perfume you're actually getting. It has the LUXSB logo, and by the way, this is LUXSB.com. This is where you can get everything that I'm talking about. It obviously has a warning label and a disclaimer on the side, so I'm not going to read all that to you because you guys know that perfume is flammable and whatever. And then you open it and you get a little perfume vial like this, and it says "Love life with perfume," and it has the LUXSB logo again. Basically the way it works is you twist it up and that's how you are able to spray it. I'm not going to spray it because I'm actually wearing, I forget which one I'm wearing today, but basically if you forget, they did send me 3, so just so you're not confused, if you forget what the name of the perfume is, you can just pull it out and it tells you the name right here. This one is Shea and Blue Soul Caramel. I wore this one yesterday. Oh my god, it lasted all day. It smells so good. This one reminds me of YSL Black Opium a lot. Like, it's almost like a dupe for it. So the full size of this actually runs for $50, which is actually not bad. But these little vials come with 0.3 ounces or 9 milliliters of product, which is the perfect 1 month supply. But this is super travel friendly and it's leak proof, so it won't spill all over your travel bag or your purse. I love these to stick in my purse and just have it with me on the go, and it's just really nice. The notes are salt caramel combines all the decadent appeal of finely crafted truffle. It has smooth tonka, bourbon, vanilla, and sandalwood. So it does smell a little bit woodsy, yeah, that's why. But basically it smells like a sweet dessert. If you don't like sweet scents, I would stay away from this one. This one is definitely comparable to YSL Black Opium, as I said. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the rest of them for you so you guys can see what else I got. They all come in the same exact packaging, so I don't know which one's which until I take it out of the actual vial. This one is Shea and Blue Black Tulip. This one is not as sweet as the other one in my opinion. It's still pretty sweet though, but I'm gonna tell you what notes are in this one. This one is also $50 for a full-size bottle of this. This one definitely smells like a tulip. It smells a lot more flowery than sweet like the other one does. It has tulips and plum, creamy vanilla, and white chocolate. So that's interesting. It actually seems like it would smell sweeter, but it really doesn't to me. The other one definitely smells sweeter to me. Definitely love them both actually. And this last one is called Tokyo Milk Dark Tainted Love, and I'm gonna look up. This is not the one I'm wearing. I am wearing the tulip one. I'm wearing the tulip one now. This one has such a distinct smell. I can't even describe it to you, but it reminds me of my childhood. I'm starting to sound like Kathleen Lights for that, but I do say that for everything. This one literally, it reminds me of like my parents' beach apartment that I had growing up. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wonder why it reminds me of that. Let me see the price on this and the notes as well. This one is $44 for a full-size product. What does this remind me of? I want to know. Do you guys ever feel that way, like with scents, like they remind you of a certain time in your life? Like, I don't know. This one has dark vanilla bean, orchid, white tea, sandalwood. So they all have sandalwood. But this one smells like the most strong. If you're like really sensitive to smells, this one's really strong. So I would recommend to stay away from this one, but it smells so good. Like I need to remember what, like I can't think of exactly what it reminds me of. Like I can't compare it to another perfume or anything, but it smells so good and I love it. Out of all the scents, I think my favorite one is the caramel one. It smells so sweet and I'm a sweet scent. Like I love sweet scents. That's my main thing. Like I love it. I just think that this is like such a cute little carrying case. Super easy to throw in your purse, super travel friendly, and you can take this on vacation. You can pass it through TSA. It doesn't really matter. And it's just really convenient to have. There's actually a premium option for the subscription, and it is a premium plan that costs $18. With that subscription, you have access to exclusive scents and you receive the little carrying case each month instead of just one. Again, this is only $15 a month for the basic plan, but you can get your first month for only $9.75 if you use my code Cristina for your 35% off your first month. You can choose from hundreds of 100% authentic designer and niche fragrances on their site, LUXSB.com. Again, what's really cool about this is you get to explore different scents found on their site, scents that you might have wondered about. And then if you really enjoy a scent, you can actually purchase the full-size bottle from their site and you get a member discount, and you just get it for cheaper than buying it like at Sephora or Macy's or a different retail store where they sell the full-size bottle of the perfume. So again, if you use my promo code Cristina, you can get your first month of LUXSB for only $9.75. You have to choose a designer fragrance for only $9.75. If you like it, you can purchase the full-size bottle for a discount for becoming a member. Again, you can cancel anytime. There is no contract. There is no minimum months that you must be subscribed. I think that's everything I have to say about LUXSB. If you guys have any questions on the subscription service and how it works, just please feel free to leave them down in the comments and I'll answer them as best as I can. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!